ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरे बुनियाद रहे तो। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, आबाद रहे तो।
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Said by Mahatma Gandhi. Good morning to my respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is one of the memorable day for our country, because today was the day when we had gained our freedom from the oppressive ruling of the colonial country. This year, India is all set to celebrate the 75th Independence Day today. This day in 1947 is also marked as the birth of the world's largest democracy, as our greatest country, India, got independence. To earn this independence, many brave citizens of India had to shed their blood. Freedom fighters sacrificed their life with fearless courage to bring freedom to the nation. They faced pain, exploitations, immense torture, and hardship. British ruled over India for more than 200 years. Many freedom fighters adopted various ways of fighting against Britishers to attain. In this auspicious morning, we, the students of class 10B, are here to celebrate a virtual Independence Day in order to show our respect for the freedom fighters of our country. At first, I would like to request my friend Konish to to deliver a short speech on Independence Day.
Good morning everyone. Today we are all here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. Long back, 1947, we got our independence. We know that now we are living in this independence India, not because of our struggles of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each of them today. We are celebrating Independence Day as our natural festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hosting ceremony, parades and lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath where the national anthem is sang after the Prime Minister hosts the flag. Lot of cultural events, flower setting and also the Indian Defence Service conduct parades. On this day, 15 August is not only freedom, it reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifice. It is our responsibility as proud Indians of our country to signify the perform of duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. On this day, we should take an oath that we will always.
Thank you, Koinish, for enlightening us with the memories of our independence. Now, Deep is here to present a song in order to refresh our mind.
ओ देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सर के कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से भर के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जहाँ भोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान से भर के कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से भर के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तो बागे है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा.
Thank you, Deep, for your heart-touching presentation. Now, Manish is here to recite a beautiful poem on Independence Day.
Good morning to all my respected sisters, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem on Independence Day. Ours is the land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and are source of prosperity. Let for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Manish, for your beautiful recitation. Now, Tanya is here to present a dance in front of us.
ओ सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, शुभ दिन आयो बनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो, शुभ दिन आयो बनने भायो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो। होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे, होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश सजीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
For your wonderful dance. As we have reached to the end of this program, I would like to thank our principal, Sister Lina D'Souza, our class teacher, Madam Devchani, for giving us this opportunity to organize this virtual assembly. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my friends and classmates for organizing this beautiful assembly. I would also like to thank our Almighty God for the success of this function. At the end, I would like to thank our freedom fighters for the independence we have gained today and a grand salute for their sacrifice. Thank you, one and all. Wishing you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.